Let's have a glance at the programs we have conducted in the year 2024-25. Amrita Summer Dream Camp. We have curated a diverse range of activities to cater to different interests and talents. The function was inaugurated by Dr. Karun Jairaj. A wide selection of activities were there. The event was highly cooperated by the parents and students, so it was very successful. Reopening Day. The presence of Sambhoji Swami Amritakripananda Puriji gave a satsang and enlivened the program with bhajans. The arati and puja were done by respected principal Jisha ma'am at Amma's portrait. World Environment Day. Sambhoji Swami Amritakripananda Puriji planted a sapling to instill the need to preserve our environment. The teachers distributed saplings to the lower class students. World Pest Day. We organized a field trip to interview a farmer about pest management for optimal crop yield. World Food Safety Day. The students designed a role play to understand the difference between nutritious food and junk food. World Oceans Day. Students drew several marine animals and plants. The teachers showed marine videos to lower class students. World Day Against Child Labor. Conducted a series of activities on awareness to save children from child labor and participated in coloring activities to develop certain skills. Kindergarten Reopening Day. Teachers warmly welcomed the students in a traditional manner. The new pencils and handcrafted gifts were given by their class teachers. The UKG students showcased their talents with a group song and a charming skit. World Blood Donor Day. The students presented speech and skit related with the importance of blood donation. The higher class students prepared posters. Teacher Ceremony. Our school appointed school leaders, head boy and head girl, and house captains. The principal and vice principal honor them and the house mistress and adore them with sachets. World Refugee Day. The school observed the day in the theme of solidarity with refugees, the coloring and cartoon activities. International Yoga Day. An awareness session was conducted by Anandan Vilyamra, practiced yoga exercises and breathing techniques. International Olympic Day. Delivered a speech on the importance of the Olympics. Making rings and posters and aerobic exercises were also performed. International Day Against Drug Abuse and Illicit Trafficking. A speech was delivered on raising awareness against the drug abuse. An awareness session was conducted by Mr. Chandran Komeri, Vimukti officer. National Statistics Day. Maths quiz and puzzles were organized for grade 5th and 6th to develop analytic skills. National Doctors Day. Dr. Vinayak, a consultant psychiatrist, inaugurated the program by giving a talk on health and hygiene. Literary Fest. The fest has been conducted by organizing programs like recitation and elocution in different languages. National Umbrella Day. KG and pre-KG students assembled with vibrant colors of umbrellas in the court, left attracting view for the spectators. World Population Day. It aimed to raise awareness about global population issues. Ramayana Day celebration. The massive participation of students from KG to 11th, they dressed up in their favorite costumes of Ramayana characters. Karkiraga Food Fest. The students from KG to 11th brought an array of traditional foods associated with the month of Karkiragam. Kargil Victory Day. The assembly that honored the sacrifice of Indian soldiers during the Kargil War. It had a chart presentation, patriotic song, and an inspiring speech. It was conducted by 9 standard students. Guru Purnima celebration. It has been conducted under the guidance of Swami Amritakripananda Puriji, with active participation of parents. Prasad has been served by Swami. World Nature Conservation Day. It has been celebrated by planting the saplings at their homes by the students. International Tiger Day. The day was celebrated with the recitation, speech, drawing, and making mass on the theme. Hiroshima Day. The school held a special event with a speech and preparation of class 7th and 8th standard students. National Handloom Day. The school organized a trip to a local handloom industry. The students created charts and decorated the bulletin board. Quit India movement. The students were dressed up as prominent leaders and freedom fighters. The chart based on the day with the motto "Do or Die" was also displayed. World Lions Day. Students made lion-themed craft creating vibrant lion masks. India's Independence Day. The principal, along with the school leaders, conducted the flag hoisting ceremony. The various performances, including patriotic song, a group song, and a musical rendition on the keyboard and violin. World Sanskrit Day. School observed the day with speech on the importance of Sanskrit. Subhashita messages from Gita and pictures of Puranas were displayed. World Mosquito Day. A detailed speech was delivered on the topic mosquitoes and the diseases, and a procession with the placards was there. Protein Day event. Students were encouraged to bring various protein-rich foods from home and educate the kindergarten students about the importance of protein-rich food. Sri Krishna Jayanti celebration. On the day, the younger students of KG to 11th standard were in Radha Krishna costumes. The stage was decorated with an idol of Lord Krishna, and cultural programs were held. Ayangali Jayanti, the chart that showcased the life of the great social reformer, were prepared by the kids. National Sports Day. The event included dance featuring various sports and master drill and speech by the students. Teachers' Day. The senior teachers were honored by memento and bouquet. Students of class 10 took up the duties of teachers. Fun games and activities were organized for teachers. National Hindi Divas. It aimed in promoting the significance of the Hindi language and culture among the students. Competitions like poetry, recitation, and speech were conducted. Dance performances were also conducted. Onam celebration. The students were dressed up in traditional attire which added to the festive atmosphere. Gandhi Jayanti celebration. In line with Gandhi's emphasis of cleanliness and community service, our teachers, non-teaching staffs, and students took the initiative to clean the school campus. Navaratri celebration. Students and teachers were gathered in the puja hall, which was decorated with garlands and lamps to conduct the book puja ceremony. World Food Day. The program aimed at promoting healthy eating habits, cultural exchange, and resourcefulness. Science Fair. It showcased the innovative experiments organized by students that created curiosity among the other students. International Day for Eradication of Poverty. As part of the day, students of 11th standard, along with some teachers, visited Balamandiram Orphanage. Teachers, along with the students, collected donations including clothes and stationery books for the children. Sports Day. The event was a thrilling spectacle featuring an array of exciting enthusiasm among students. This included games for students from pre-KG to 2nd. Diwali Day. This day was celebrated among the young revelers, dressed in vibrantly arranged attires that added warmth to the festivities. The prayer room was elegantly arranged with garlands and sweets that have been distributed among the students. Kerala Piravi celebration. The event was a captivating one with dance performance by the 9th standard girls. The Malayalam teachers dwelled into the significance of Kerala Piravi by sharing stories of the state's struggle for formation. Children's Day celebration. The students performed energetic action songs, melodious group songs. Fancy dress performance and speech were also held. Cancer Awareness Program. The school gave an awareness class to educate the students about the cancer and its prevention and early detection. Black and White Day celebration. The students from pre-KG to standard 2nd dressed in creative black and white costumes. Various activities like coloring, craft works were organized. Constitution Day. The school assembly was highlighted with the patriotic spirit of dance performance and speech. Students dressed up as freedom fighters. World Computer Literary Day. A student of 9th standard delivered a speech which highlights the importance of teaching digital skills to the people of all age groups. Christmas celebration and Red Day. The event included cake cutting and various fun games. The lower class students looked vibrant in their red attire. Art exhibition. The exhibition showcased a diverse collection of art and craft works with spectacular display of creativity and skills. School excursion. The students has visited Active Planet to cater to their enthusiasm towards school life.